How to add extension in Chrome Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no way for you to use extension on the regular Chrome app on Android. However, there is an easy workaround that we can use that will allow us to use extension in the Chrome browser. And in order for you to do that, you will need to download an app that's called Kiwi Browser, which is a similar browser to the Chrome app. So once you have downloaded the app, go ahead and open it. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, then click on extensions. And here you need to click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, then click on Open Chrome Web Store. You will be redirected to the Google Chrome Extensions Web Store, where you will be able to download and install extensions just like the Google Chrome app. So say for example I wanted to download the Google Translate extension. I will click on it and then I will add it to Chrome, and you will get this confirmation box that tells you what will happen when you do that. Click on OK and wait for it to be installed and downloaded. And once it's done, you need to restart the app. Then click on the three dots and scroll all the way down, and as you can see, you'll find the extension has been added and activated, and you can use it just like you would do with the Chrome browser. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use Chrome extensions in the mobile device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.